went ahead off camera and finished this. Basically, we just take a connection nut, just screwed it to this, faced it off in the lathe. So that's where we're at with this today. So have a great day. And my GoPro died. The battery died on it. So I'm going to do this a combination of photographs or whatnot. So basically I'm starting to turn the bushings. You've seen in the couple of stills the little pieces that go behind the knobs. Greg, Randy, James, you might recognize this black stuff. Some of that I sent to you. So just kind of hang loose. This is going to be a lot of little clips, most of it photographs with notes. But I'm just turning this down right now and getting it kind of ready. Okay, this is one of the units as far as all my lathe, most of my lathe work is done now. That's the completed knob with the bushings and everything slide through the door. So that's everything on this piece. So we still got to make the locks. So I'm going to probably mill the slat. This one I'm going to do is just mill one flat across here. Then we'll drill a hole in it so it'll have some weight to turn off. Well, instead of using the mill, I just took a nut, transfer punched it, and then just use this little drill press vise. The reason why you see my scale in, I just tucked the scale in across the top and hand clamped it. And I've done one of the units, so this is what the unit's going to look like when it's completed. So I'm going to drill and tap this other. So I already took a picture of the tapped them on tap machine. Now I'm just drilling them out in the drill press. Simple, quick. Okay, have you ever heard the thing, the best laid plans of mice and men sometimes go asunder? Well, we've had that today. You know, the last clip, the camera died, so now I've got a charge on the camera so it can work. And we're working on some videos. In case you're wondering about the lathe bench, that's the best laid plans of mice. Men, it just went asunder. We got the thing, everything made up and up into the house and got to looking at the cedar chest. And just the finish of what's going to look good with what. And basically what a mutual decision between myself and my fiance is, it's just too pretty of a piece to do anything with. So you see my door open. I think you've been seeing me kick this thing with the videos. Since I've done made these up, we're going to see if we can adapt them to these drawers because they keep giving us a bit of a problem. So that's why I'm just shooting this piece of video more or less in the cabinet. So I'll get right back to you in just a minute. Didn't lay it in the drawer, did I? No. Where did I lay the can? Oh, over here. Okay. So, basically, this is a good way of figuring it. What we'll do is we'll figure this with a scale, and then we'll know exactly where we want to drill the hole. And we'll mark it in the center and pop a hole to it. So from the back of that, well, that's actually going to be a little different. So well, what we'll do is we'll preload everything up. See. This is .75. So that's going to be from here. And then so 3/4 would be from here. That's 1.25" to get any catch. So yes, a 3/8 need to be 1 inch below that. A 1/2 inch, a little over a 1/2 inch, and we want. So we know we need to be. So we want a 1/2 inch. Plus 1.5 inches. That still should catch. I mean, let's go 600 thousandths. That should give us an 1.5 inch should be good. Okay, now. Inside the drawer is 17 inches, and we're measuring. Got the camera just a running. Okay, this is the finish. I'm gonna get it up here on this cabinet. This is where it's supposed to be on there, right? Now you've seen some mistakes. Basically, you turn it, and there it is inside. Hopefully, you can get a good view of what it looks like. Like I said, the fiancé and I got to talking, and we just ruined the cabinet. And I did have a mistake. There's a hole here, and I know on the other video here I put in the mount. This is my little GoPro mount that I use sometimes. You see the lathe shots right over the top of the lathe. So, you know, basically I just turn the thing down sort of like this, and that's how you're getting those views. So we're going to throw that in as a little bonus, and I'll take you back here, and you can see get a better view right there. There it is. You can see my mess up. There's some of that's on the video. We'll probably edit out or put some of it in. So there you go, and hope you have a great day.